It is very difficult to get an IT job, especially when you're not from a computer science background. Well, that's not true. Emmanuel Matthew, Akhil Damu, Adarsh Krishna, Abhishek Dinal, and Atul. None of them are computer science graduates. In fact, all of them have a B.Tech in electronics and communication engineering, and yet they got placed in IT firms. Want to know how? Well, they all took an RHCE course at IPSR and eventually got placed in these companies. So, why worry anymore? Contact us to know more about the course. We at IPSR have recently launched a new initiative called IPSR Placement Care as part of our 23rd anniversary, where we will be supporting students with recession proof technologies and help them get a job in the IT industry. So, check out our website to know more about IPSR Placement Care.